Hello everyone, this is episode 1 of Random Cute Kitchen Finds and you are watching XX. So let's get into the video. So firstly I bought this wooden shelf for the center of my wall of the kitchen. This is for 1200 rupees, and next I purchased this countertop storage rack for my basic spices, and this is for 320 rupees only. Then I purchased this set of two cutlery holders. This one is for big spoons and the body is metallic. This one is for 330 rupees, and next is for small spoons, knife, forks, whichever you want to put in it, and this one is for 350 rupees I guess. The quality is top notch and these two are must have in your kitchen. Next I purchased a set of two ceramic pots, and I want to put the sugar and tea in it. You can put whatever you want to put in it again, and the quality is very good. This is for 300 only. The set of two is 300 only, and for the price it's very good in quality, and the shape is like capsicum, so it enhances your kitchen look. Then I purchased this ceramic oil dispenser which is in shape of jug and has lid on it, and I purchased it for 270 rupees I guess. Then I purchased this honey pot which is very useful, and just look at the heart shaped honey dipper or serving spoon, whichever you can say. It's very pretty. Then I purchased this milk pot. I am searching this kind of milk pot for so long, and finally I got this one for 280 rupees only, and its quality is just awesome. Then I purchased these two tinny jars which is just for 60 rupees only. Let's move to my favorite one. This is a plate or tray, whichever you can say. This is in shape of a bread slice, and look how cute it looks. Just look at the tray. I purchased it for my breakfast purpose, and it also says good day, so yeah, I believe in it. This is for just 290 rupees only. So yeah, that's it. These are all my random kitchen finds. If you like and want any of these links, let me know in comment section. I will provide you guys the links. And if you like my video, do support me, and I will be back with another episode of Cute Kitchen Finds. Till then, bye bye.